In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to switch from a private account to a public or business account. Switching from a private to a public TikTok account significantly increases your content's visibility, allowing it to reach a broader audience beyond just your followers. This change can lead to faster growth, as your videos have a higher chance of appearing on the For You page. To do this, simply head to your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head to your settings and privacy. On this page, select on this option of account. If your account type is a creator account, you will see Switch to Creator Account. And if it's a business account, you will see Switch to Business Account. Go ahead and select on this option. Follow the next easy procedures and your TikTok private account will get back to public. By being public, it opens up opportunities for collaborations with brands or other creators, making it a crucial step for anyone looking to expand their influence on the platform. That's how easy it is to change from private to public account on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.